Okay guys, we got a package from Colourpop. I'll give you guys a second to guess what it is. If you guessed that Colourpop sent over the brand new Shrek collection, you guessed correctly. So today's video, I'm gonna unbox everything and we'll do some swatches. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I can't remember Shrek. I don't even know if I've seen the whole movie.
Oh, what? Huh? Girl.
And I was kind of confused on why they're doing a whole collection. So if someone can please explain to me why they're doing a Shrek collection, please let me know in the comments down below. So this is like the product card. There's 5 lippies, a palette, 2 cream blushes, and I think they're like for lips too, an eyeliner and a mascara, and then like a glitter. Like I was saying before, I was kind of like, why are they doing a Shrek collection? And I feel like it was gonna look weird. Then I saw the palette and everything else and I was like, wait, I really like a lot of this stuff. So I'm really excited. So let's open everything up. First up is the Ogres Are Like Onions Glittery Obsessed Body Glitter Gel. This is a peachy gold and rainbow glitter gel for face, hair, and body, and there's no glue needed. It is really pretty. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up how pretty that is, but I wish I had this earlier in the summer for the concerts that I went to. I don't know, I just sniffed it thinking it was gonna smell like onion. I don't want to swatch this because of how messy it might be, but this looks really pretty and fun. Next up are the Instant Crush Lip and Cheek Balms. So we got 2 of these and I thought they were going to be way bigger, but I'm glad that they are this size. This pinkier one is called True Love's Form, and then this one, it's like a more berry toned and it's called Fairy Tale Things. These are hydrating multi-use balms that you can use for a buildable dewy finish. Ooh, they're very like balmy feeling. So this one is Fairy Tale Things. Really like that. And then this one is True Love's Form. Really pretty pink. I feel like I'll use these more for the lip as opposed to the blush. Next up is Dragon's Keep, which is the BFF mascara and cream gel liner kit. So I don't know if I've ever used a Colourpop mascara before, but these are inspired by Dragon. So they're a cool like red color. I'm really excited to try them because they're totally different. So this is the liner. It's a multi-chrome and it's in the shade Fire Breath. I don't know if the camera's really picking up multi-chrome. Oh, but in person it's like red and green. It's really cool. This is what it looks like. On camera it's really picking up red, but in person it's like greens and orange. It's really cool. And then this is what the mascara looks like. It's in the shade Dragon. Let's open that up and see. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a red also. Oh, it almost looks like a burgundy, so it'll look really pretty. I was afraid this one would be like a wearable color, but I feel like both of them are very wearable. So this collection comes with 4 different ultra glossy lips and they all look stunning. The names. So this one with Lord, I do know the characters from Shrek. I would like to mention Lord Farquaad is called Short Lord and Donkey is called Noble Steed, and these are your 2 just like solid colors, and the flavors I'm so like I just want to smell them all. This Lord Farquaad one is blueberry muffin. This is what the packaging looks like. The face on it is, I'm dying. But let's see how it smells. It's definitely blueberry. So let's swatch. Oh, that is a gorgeous shade. I cannot wait to wear that. This is Noble Steed, and this one is a waffle flavor. Oh, it smells like syrup. Oh my god, this is so weird. Okay, let's swatch this. These 2 colors are like right up my alley. When I did see all of the products, the lips, the lippies, and the palette are what I was immediately drawn to. And then Fiona and Shrek are more shimmery glosses. This one is called Ogress, and you can really see it is a shimmery lip gloss. And this scent is a pina colada. It's very like coconutty, and that gloss, oh my god. If you guys are gonna get anything from this collection, I'm definitely gonna say get the glosses. And last we have Ogre, which is a really pretty just shimmery shade, and this one's flavor is mud pie. I have no idea what a mud pie is gonna smell like. Chocolate maybe? I'm gonna say chocolate. Ooh, That's really pretty. Short Lord, Noble Steed, Ogress, and Ogre. And I'm looking at Ogre now, and it's very like green reflectives. I really like that. It's very different, something I don't already have in the collection. Then we have the Candy Lip Oil. This is candy flavored and it's called Gumdrop Buttons. It's either gonna be really sweet. I would hope it would be like Gingerbread Man for Gingy. His name is Gingy, right? So cute. Let's smell. I'm gonna put this one on because it's just a lip oil. It's definitely sweet. It doesn't have a candy smell, but I like a clear lip oil. Those have just been a favorite right now. This on top of one of these would look really pretty. And now we have the star of the show, which is the palette. I don't know if it has a name. Ooh, the shadows are so pretty. They're very neutral with your pops of greens. If you're new here, I love a neutral palette with a pop of color. This is beautiful. This is a 15 pan palette with mossy greens, rich browns, and pops of brights and 4 iconic finishes. You have 8 matte shades, and then it looks like some shimmers and metallics. I don't really know what other finishes that Colourpop has, but let's watch the palette. I'm gonna go row by row. So first is Layers, Shrek Happens, and Better Out Than In. I have a feeling some of these shadings are gonna be weird. Then we have Short Supply, Sir Knight, and Gingy. I'm Making Waffles, What the Shrek, and Duloc. This one is like a pressed glitter shade. Then we have My Swamp, Grr, and That'll Do Donkey. Then the last row is Guarded Castle, Nice Boulder, and Fare Thee Well Ogre. I'm gonna hold the palette this way because it's just easier. But the palette is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. So if you guys have any like shade suggestions and any looks you want to see, let me know. The whole collection is now available on Colourpop's website and will soon be coming to Amazon. If you guys are interested in everything, I will have the whole entire collection linked down below. Individual products, bundles, just the whole thing. Tell me what you're going to pick up in the comments down below. And also don't forget to tell me if you guys want to see like a makeup look using all of these products. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. And I'll see you guys next time.